up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming,
Welcome
I'ma
to
send you to your
the
mama.
first lecture of our channel. We complete NCERT textbook for many competitive exam and for CBSE boards and many kind of boards. Officially, it is the first video of my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, and subscribe this channel for more information and more videos like this. If you like the video, please uh, hit the subscribe button and like us. So today we will learn about the living world. Living world starts with the diversity of the living world. According to 2025 and 6, and after this chapter we will discuss NCERT fingertips. NCERT fingertips by MTG publication. NCERT fingertips. After this topic, I will discuss. So be attentive for our YouTube channel and please subscribe our YouTube channel so that we will upload another video. So in today's class, we will learn about diversity in living world. So let's start the reading and I will explain all the things. Here you can see, if you look around, you will see the large variety of living organisms, be it potted plants, insect, birds, your pets and other animals and plants. There are also several organizations that you cannot see with naked eye, but they are all around you. If you were to increase the area that you make observation in. So here in the first few sentences, NCERT is telling us about NCERT is telling us about diversity of life in Earth, diversity in life on Earth. We know there is a huge diversity in our planet. Uh, there is nothing to say that biological diversity is huge, and obviously, if you are visit to dense forest, you would probably see such greater number and kinds of living organization in it. Each different kind of plant, animals, and organization that you see represents a species. Here is the important information for all competitive exam. You will see this information given as at the question. So I highlight all the points which are important for your exam or many competitive exam. The number of species that are known and described range between 1.7 to 1.8 billion. So you can imagine how much variety we have. This refer biodiversity here. The book completely refers us that biodiversity is so huge, or the number and type of organism present on earth. You should remember here that us we explore new areas, even old one, new organisms are continuously being identified. As stated earlier, there are millions of plants and animals in world. I have mentioned earlier that we have huge variety. Some of them are seen by us. Even many objects near our animal species or plant species are not identified by us. And even though we have can't imagine that such kind of animals can present there. So this is a beautiful line by NCERT. Okay, so probably you would recognize and confusion that would be created if we did not find ways the means to talk each other to refer organization we are talking about. As stated earlier, there are million plants of animals in the world. We know the plants and animals of our own area by local names. So here is a indication, another indication for binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature, this is an important topic to discussion. Binomial nomenclature, because in some areas the tree is known as local name, but in other area that local name being changed, so there is a problem to recall a plan. So Carolus Linnaeus has proposed a type of nomenclature that is called binomial nomenclature. So we will see the uh, rule after few times. Okay, I am saying it to earlier, so just read and I am just trying to say that what comes next. Here is a clear indication that we will study about binomial nomenclature after few time. This is quick info binomial nome, binomial binomial nomenclature indication. I know my writing is very bad. Actually, this is in my phone, so this writing is very bad. Okay, let's read. So, as stated earlier, there are million of plant, blah blah blah. Local name. We know plants and animals in our own area by their local name. The local name would vary place to place, and even within a country, probably you would recognize a confusion that would be created if we did not find ways to means to talk each other to refer organisms we are talking about. Hence there is need to standardize the naming of living organization such that a particular organization is known by the same name all over the world. This process is called nomenclature. Please underline this paragraph. So please highlight this point. This is also important. What is nomenclature? So next, obviously nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organization is described correctly and we know what organization name is attached to. This is identification. So there is another good question for us. Please highlight this point. What is identification? That's another good question for us, for all of you. I hope this this will help in this is this will help you in the examination hall. Okay, so please mark this point in your textbook who are uh, viewing who are joined our channel or subscribed our channel. I will inform you that after this topic I will put up the NCERT fingertips in front of you. It is a sure promise from me. This is lecture number 1. This is our lecture number 1, but in lecture number 2 I will in lecture number 2 I will surely practice NCERT fingertips. Okay, thank you. We'll go for the next para. In order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established producer to assign scientific name to each known organism. This is acceptable for biologists all over the world. For plants, scientific names are based on agreed principle and criteria. These are provided in International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This is a good information for NCERT from NCERT about ICBN, ICBN. There is a code on the basis of which scientific name are given. So this is a important line for your exam too. At first, the full form of ICBN. I repeat again, the full form of ICBN. This is an important question. Another important question is from where from where the plants are got notified by nomenclature is given from which constitution. So they might have asked you a question. So this is important. This is another important. So please highlight with me. If you will study with me, you will easily complete your syllabus in few days. Okay, thank you. Next question is next line is you may ask how the animal's name. So NCERT is asking me a question. I have to answer. So as I know, or you must know that in the next line they have already answered it. But as you know, as my knowledge, I will say that it is ICZN who will name, who has the assurance to naming the uh, animals. Okay, so there is another question, another important. Uh, so please highlight this point, boys or girls who are watching this video. Please highlight this point again. Oh yeah. The scientific name ensure that each organism has only one name. This is another good uh, line from NCERT. This statement is stating us that importance of important importance importance of nomenclature. Nomenclature. Thank you. So, at first, we know about nomenclature. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature. What is nomenclature? Then we realize who gives nomenclature. What is the name of the organization who give nomenclature? Who give nomenclature? And now we are realizing what is the importance of nomenclature. Dot, dot, dot. What is the importance of nomenclature? So you may underline this in your book, but I do not think that is important. But if you have interest, then you can highlight this. If somebody asks what is the importance of scientific name, you can tell this. Okay, next line, description of any organization should enable the people. Description of any animal should enable people any part of world. Means if I describe a tree, uh if I describe a tree for you, this is a tree, this is a tree, you know which tree I am drawing, whatever. So I took a leaf, took a stem of the tree, uh, took her root, took her root, and then I go to the scientist and give him this information. So he put up it uh, in a family, in a scientific family, which constitute gymnosperm. He said that it is a gymnosperm plant. You know, it was a pine tree, actually Christmas tree. So it belongs to gymnosperm. So you can go through the gymnosperm. He told me gymnosperm, then he told me family, then he told me genus, then he told me species. By this, he will classify this plant. Okay, and you and me is telling it pine tree in Colombo or other country. They might have another name for this tree. So for not being confused in any side of in country, you must have one single name only. Okay,